2025 is here, and with it comes an exciting wave of cutting-edge gadgets and innovations that are changing the way we live. From futuristic designs to mind-blowing functionality, these 12 new gadgets are the ones you'll want to add to your wish list this year. Let's dive in. Technology continues to advance at an astonishing rate, and 2025 brings us some of the most impressive and groundbreaking inventions yet. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone just looking for gadgets that make life easier, these inventions are worth your attention. First on our list is the Smart Contact Lens. These lenses not only help you see better but integrate augmented reality, allowing you to access notifications, maps, and even make calls directly from your eyes. Imagine navigating a city with nothing more than a glance. Next up, we have the ultimate hybrid device, the foldable tablet phone combo. With a display that folds into a compact smartphone, this device combines portability and functionality like never before. Perfect for multitaskers, this device changes the game when it comes to mobile computing. Meet the AI personal assistant robot that's designed to handle tasks at home and office. This AI-powered device can help with everything from making grocery lists to scheduling meetings, all while learning your preferences and improving its capabilities every day. Imagine never running out of battery while on the go. These solar-powered wireless earbuds charge themselves as you move, making them the perfect choice for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers who need music all day long, without the worry of running out of juice. Get fit in style with the Smart Mirror Fitness Tracker. This gadget turns your ordinary mirror into an interactive personal trainer, providing real-time feedback on your workout form and progress. It's like having a fitness studio in your own home. Say goodbye to your regular screen. The holographic phone display projects 3D images right in front of you. Whether you're watching movies or playing games, this futuristic display brings a new dimension to entertainment. Introducing the Smart Refrigerator. With AI and facial recognition, this fridge knows who's opening it and suggests meals based on the ingredients inside. It can even create shopping lists and remind you when items are running low. This is the future of kitchen management. Want to turn your daily workout into an adventure? The virtual reality exercise bike immerses you in stunning virtual environments while you pedal. From cycling through beautiful landscapes to racing against friends in a virtual world, exercise has never been this fun. For pet owners, this automatic pet feeder with a built-in camera is a game changer. You can feed your pet, monitor their health, and even talk to them all from your phone. Whether you're at work or on vacation, your furry friend will always be cared for. Enhance your home security with the AI-powered Home Security Drone. This drone patrols your property, using AI to detect unusual activity and send alerts straight to your phone. It's like having a personal security guard 24/7. Next, we have the self-cleaning water bottle, perfect for those always on the move. This bottle uses UV light to sterilize the inside, ensuring that every sip is fresh and clean. No more worrying about germs or bacteria in your bottle. These advanced smart glasses offer a full heads-up display right in front of your eyes. From navigation to health monitoring, these glasses are designed to keep you connected while keeping your hands free. From smart contact lenses to the AI-powered Home Security Drone, 2025 is proving to be the year of futuristic gadgets. Which of these innovations are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech updates. Stay tuned for more incredible gadgets coming your way this year.